After pressing CTRL C to copy, put the mouse over the area that you want to copy, then click. Once you click, a red rectangle will appear. Drag with the mouse cursor to copy the area you want to copy. Then click the left button of the mouse to end the copy command, then paste it to the place that you want. Select the tile you want, then press Ctrl, then click on the ground of the map to change the tile of the ground. Select the tile you want, then click drag with holding Shift to draw on map. Select an object by clicking on it with the mouse, then drag with holding Shift to clone that object. To switch between showing or hiding the shore, press CTRL A for auto shore. This feature enables you to see the cliff clearly and without errors, and helps you build the cliff professionally. It is not possible to create the back cliff after creating the front cliff. In this case, press D on the keyboard to be able to add the back cliff. There is no undo for moving objects on the map. Undo is just for terrain.
Gentlemen, it's a nuclear device. Time is running out.
Subscribe.
Time is running out. Gentlemen, it's a nuclear device.
If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to share the video to benefit all fans of the game. Thanks for watching and best wishes to everyone. See you in a new video.